Hey, what's going on everybody? Just your boy Carlos, Entrepreneur Phenom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create and set up a PayPal account, because one of the three things we're going to do is show you where to order your PayPal debit card, and then number two, how to link your bank to your PayPal, and then number three, last but not least, show you where to find your PayPal payment link. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive right in. So in the description of this video below, you're going to go ahead and click on the link to create a business PayPal account. It's going to bring you to this page right here. You're going to go ahead and put in your email and then click on continue. Then it's going to bring you to this page right here. So you go ahead and create a password and then click on continue. Then it's going to bring you exactly to this page right here. And except for you're not a brick and mortar offline business, you're going to go ahead and click no, like I got right there. So make sure you click on no. And then next thing you want to do is put in your first name, your last name, and check this box here. Because we're an affiliate marketing space, you basically are the brand. You are the business. So, make sure you check that box right there so that box right there can go away. Alrighty, go ahead and put in your phone number right here or Google Voice business number. Going to put in your address, city, state, zip code. Make sure you click and read all of this. Otherwise, go ahead and check that box and then go ahead and click on agree and create. Alright, and this is the dashboard, the home page of PayPal. So you're going to be brought to something that looks like this. And the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is order your PayPal debit card, which looks something like this. So this is exactly how my PayPal card looks right here. As you can see, there's my name right there. So yours is going to look something like this here. So you're going to go ahead and click right here. Alright, and it's just telling you what you can do is you basically can use this PayPal card anywhere in the world like a bank card. So go ahead and click on Let's Get Started. Alright, you can read all of this, but I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, then go ahead and click on agree and continue. You're going to see your first and last name right there. You're going to see your address. That's why you need to make sure your address was right, because PayPal is going to send this bank card, or I should say this PayPal debit card, to your home address. Okay, so just make sure that you check that and it's above and it's right, and then go ahead and click on confirm and continue. And then when you're brought to this page right here, go ahead and put in your date of birth, the last four of your social, then go ahead and click on agree and continue. And then it's going to tell you that your PayPal card will be shipped in a couple of days, no more than a week or so. Alrighty, so what we're going to go ahead and do is click on this button right here to link your bank card. So go ahead and click on that right there. Alright, and I would link both of them if I was you. The process is pretty much the same, but let's go ahead and start with this one right here, linking your bank debit or credit card. So if you see your bank, you're going to go ahead and click on it. If you don't see your bank, you can go ahead and click right here and manually do it. Either way, it's going to take you to the screen. Then you're going to be able to log into your bank. Okay, so you're going to need to know your bank info, so that way you are connecting your bank to PayPal. So you just follow the steps. It really isn't much. Okay, just logging in and doing things like that. All right, and then it's the same thing when you link your bank as well. It's the same, just about the same process as well. Okay, you're going to go ahead and choose your bank right here. If you don't see your bank, you're going to go ahead and just type it in right here. Okay, and do the same thing. Okay, it's going to take you to your bank. You're going to go ahead and log in, accept the terms, just like on the last one, and then it'll be linked. Okay, self-explanatory. All right, self-explanatory. All right, and back on the dashboard, last but not least, what you're going to go ahead and do is find your PayPal link. All right, so just go ahead and click right here. Okay. All right, so what you're going to go ahead and do, if you have joined affiliate marketing business, sometimes they'll ask for your PayPal link, or other times they'll ask for your PayPal email. So that's where you'll be able to find whatever email you set up in this video. All right, that'll be your PayPal email, and of course you could put that into the affiliate program that you're in, so that way people could pay you and you can get money that way. Another way you can do it is go ahead and click right here. All right, click right there. Go ahead and add a photo of yourself, because even though you have your name on here, people need to know who they're paying. All right, you want to make sure that you're getting credit for the sale and that people are paying you. So go ahead and add a photo right there. And make sure it's a picture of like a headshot of you, and a great headshot of you. All right, and then you go ahead and put your link right there. So you could just say something like, make it very simple, maybe like work with Carlos. Okay, if your name is Kim, you could say work with Kim. If your name is Brandon, you could say work with Brandon, work with Felicia, whatever it is. Okay, or you can say success with John, or success with Kim. It doesn't matter. Okay, you want to make sure it's short, to the point, and it has your name, your first name in it, so that way people know that they are paying you, just to make sure. All right, and if it's taken, then you can choose one of these options right here, and then go ahead and click on next. Alrighty, so that's pretty much it for this video right here. Last but not least, make sure you also go ahead and download the PayPal app, whether it's on your Apple Store or Google Store. Alright, it'll look something like this right here. And then use the same login to log in. That way you can use PayPal on the go as well. Other than that, we will see you in the next video.